Hey guys, how are you? This is gonna be my first YouTube video, and I got a fun little project that I'm gonna do. I'm going to be working on my John boat, and it's got a 9.8 horse Mercury on it, and it could use some TLC. I've been fishing in it all summer, and it stays in the water year round, and we had some rain last night, so I'm gonna pull this thing out and give it a tune up. But first we got to make it down river to the boat ramp, so let's get this rolling. Oh yeah. All right, this is locked up. Plenty of dead fish. Wonderful. I already know she's gonna want the juice. She don't like to start without it, but that's a problem that we're gonna fix. All right. Boy, just chilling. Boat ramp. River's super low right here. We're just gonna pull it right up to the ramp and go grab the F-150 and back it on up. That up, that to the side. There you go. All right. It's fine. It ain't going nowhere. $1,000 John boat. Look at this. I can't even get a brake. So going down the road, I didn't realize that this tire was flat, and yeah, came off the wheel. That's what we got. So I gotta run to a tire shop, have that put back on. Oh, what a day. It's gonna be fun. Son of a... Well, it's gonna turn out to be one hell of a video because I gotta fix this tire. Running to a tire shop right now. They're gonna mount the original tire back on there with a new stem, and I'll be ready to rock and roll. Alright guys, well, I'm currently in my backyard, and I got the boat back here. And she might not be the biggest and baddest thing on the water, but she got potential to be better, a lot better. And she is dirty and she needs a bath. She needs cleaned out and power washed. And I got a bunch of parts for it. I got paint, I got engine parts. We're gonna pull the carb off, clean it. I'm gonna do a water pump, gonna do plugs, gonna do a fuel filter because I feel like I get a lot of deposits into this tank that get sucked up into my engine and like clog up my carb. So yeah, we're gonna work on that because Seafoam can only do so much. And this is a good little Mercury engine. Like, it's a Mercury 110, 9.8 horse. So shouldn't have any issues. It's just a matter of getting it done. So, and yeah, I did get the tire fixed, thankfully. So yeah, let's get to work on it. All right, so we got the boat cleaned out for the most part. All the trash is out of it. Well, except this bottle cap. Put that in the pile of stuff that I'll put in a trash bag. Now it's time to power wash. So I'm gonna clean this thing up as much as I can with the power washer, and I should be able to get it. Yeah, that'll be perfect. Alright, so done cleaning out the boat for the most part. It kind of looks, it's just old paint flaking off. It's been repainted a couple times. Am I going to take the time to sand this thing down and get it down to bare metal and put primer on it and all that stuff? No, I am not. There's absolutely no point to do that on this boat, especially with where I fish. I run over a lot of logs, I get banked a lot, I hit sandbars. But what I am going to do is use an old t-shirt and some Dawn soap. I'm going to go all the way down the side of this, and I'm going to clean off as much of this dirt as I can that is on it, because the power washer can only do so much, and I think going at it by hand will help a lot, and it'll help get a lot of this paint that's flaking off, like that's flaking like off. And it's paint time. All right, and I've already been doing some paint. It looks way better already. I'll tape off eventually and go gray again and whatever else. So yeah, I'm just cleaning the boat up, really. I'm just trying to make it look better. And if I gotta spend $40 on spray paint to do it, that's perfectly fine by me. I don't really care. But we just trying to make this white go away. So I've already went through 1 can of black spray paint. Yeah, this is the empty one. So it's just paint plus primer, gloss black. There we go. I need that. So, but so it's honestly looking way better already. Just gonna have to touch it up here and there. Nothing that some spray paint can't fix on an old John boat from like 1970s. Oh, you're getting paint on the carpet. I don't care. It's gonna look fine. There we go. Dang, I'm getting dizzy. All these paint fumes going to my brain, bruh. Take a look at the other side one more time. There we go. Oops, missed a spot. Alright guys, well, after a trip to O'Reilly's, I went ahead and I got some tape and I got some gray spray paint, and it's glossy instead of the primer gray that's on it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and tape and get to painting some gray on this thing. And I got 2 cans, so it should be enough to do the outside and part of the inside, make it look a little bit cleaner. So, alright, where's the edge here? Put this here. That, and I'll go ahead and trim up the edges so everything's flush. Don't. This is not a professional paint job. All right, I'm not paying that kind of money for paint. All right, we just gonna make this work and make it look better. Look at this. What the heck? Had like a couple different colors coming out of it for a second. You know what I mean? I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but that's darker. That's lighter. I'm gonna have to shake the hell out of this. I need another can of paint. What the hell? Whew. Lots of paint fumes. That's for sure. Man, this thing already looks 100 times better than what it was. Where's my fillet knife? There it is. I'll go ahead and pull this tape off. No need to leave that sticker on there. Damn near color matched. Oh yeah. Put this sticker right back here. There we go. Well, that's about as much as I can get done for the day. Well, thanks guys for watching again, and we'll make some more videos on the boat and do some more painting on it. I just gotta grab another another can of paint, but yeah, it looks way better than what it was. Like, yeah, from 20 feet she meant, dog. So, but hey, I hope you guys have a good night. Friggin', it's getting a little dark to work. Peace out, brother.